Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove saved devices from TikTok account security step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the menu button in the top right corner, it looks like 3 lines. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. In the Accounts section, tap Security. Find and tap Devices or Manage Devices, the wording may vary by version. Wait for the list of devices to load so you can see every phone, tablet, or computer connected to your account. Carefully review each device name, login time, and location details if they are shown. Identify any device you do not recognize, such as an old phone you no longer use or a login from another city. Tap the suspicious or unwanted device entry to open its options. Tap Remove or Log Out to disconnect that device from your TikTok account. Confirm the action when TikTok asks you to verify the removal. Repeat the same removal process for every device you do not trust or no longer use. If you see many unknown devices, stop and assume your account might be compromised. Go back to the security page and tap Change Password immediately. Create a strong new password with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using your name, birthday, or the same password you use on other apps. After changing the password, return to the devices list and check that the unknown devices stay removed. Next, enable two-step verification on the security page for extra protection. Choose a verification method such as SMS, email, or an authenticator app, depending on what TikTok offers in your region. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the two-step verification setup. Go to your profile page again and open Settings and Privacy one more time. Tap Account and then check your linked phone number and email address for accuracy. Update your email or phone number if you see anything that does not belong to you. Review any connected third-party apps or permissions if that option is available in your settings. Remove access for any service you do not recognize or no longer need. Log out of TikTok on shared devices and avoid saving login information on public phones or computers. Finally, keep your TikTok app updated so you always have the latest security features and fixes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.